All right, what we're going to do is take a look at how to create an ideas behind an Ignite presentation. Now, I did this presentation for New Vision's Cloud Lab out in New York City last year, and this is the final product. And basically, an Ignite presentation is 20 slides that rotate every 15 seconds. All right, so it would give you a total of 5 minutes. Now, the rotation of these slides happens automatically. If when you go to File, Publish to the web, you can publish this, but you can set this to rotate every 5 seconds. And what will happen is, not every 5 seconds, but every 15 seconds. And every 15 seconds, one slide will advance to the next. There's no stopping it. Once you're going, you have to just keep going through the entire thing. Now, in a school setting, this will give you 20 slides if you did this for 5 minutes. 5 minutes might be a long presentation for some kids. So what you could do is, I like the 15 seconds between each slide. It's enough time to say a lot, but not too much. You could just reduce the number of slides. So make this, cut it down to 8 slides, and that'll give you a 2-minute presentation. All right. Now, the idea, like I've said, the idea behind an Ignite presentation is that it's quick, it's powerful, it's funny, it's passionate, it's all those things wrapped up into one. And I'm going through this process again because I'm presenting at the New Vision's Cloud Lab this year as well, and I figured I'd kind of get you into seeing what that's all about. When I got selected to present, they shared a template slide with me, slideshow. I had 20 slides. Now has 21 because I added this initial document that I'm kind of putting some ideas and links on and whatnot. And with this, they also shared just a basic template where I have what image I'm going to put on each slide on the left here. All right. And then what I'm going to say on the right. And all this verbiage here is kind of loose. I would highly suggest not having kids memorize what they're going to say. The problem is if they memorize it and they mess up, it's going to throw them off completely. So they should have a general idea of what they're going to say on each slide, and they need to practice. This 5-minute presentation will take hours for me to complete and practice and practice and practice. And what I'll do is I'll actually use Screencastify, and I will record myself going through my presentation and timing and things like that. One other issue I've run into is if you're in a presentation and you have any animations going on. All right, so suppose you had an animation where this picture fades in from the back. That fading in, those animations don't count against your 15 seconds. So I've seen people present and all of a sudden a 15-second slide takes 20 because they have a ton of animations going on, and it messes up their timing. So don't use any animations as you're doing these.